Now we'll start understanding about digital marketing plus AI. You people already know about digital marketing, right? What is digital marketing? What is digital marketing? Digital means what? Marketing? Promoting. Means in multiple platforms. So, social media platforms, by ads, by SEO, by videos, by website, we are promoting our products, services or softwares in socially or in online. Only few people know few products, but everyone should know how. By promoting in through online, by marketing. You have market subject, right? Digital marketing subject. How, scale you can extend the marketing. I think who is your lecture for marketing? Chandana ma'am. Leelavati ma'am not there? No. You know that ma'am? You know it. Okay. When I am studying, she is my lecture for marketing. Okay. Marketing nowadays very important. You can market yourself. Self-marketing. How you gonna market yourself? How you will market yourself? By Instagram, by LinkedIn, by Facebook. There are multiple sources how to market yourself. How? You are a BCom student, you have certain skills, you can able to do some projects, you can able to do some works, right? If you market, then only people can able to know what exactly you have skills, what you can do it, who you are into. I don't know Maharani College, these many students are there first year MCom and second year, okay. If I come to know here, then only I get to know. If not, how I can understand these are the students have doing in MCom in Maharani College. If you are active in social media, if you are branding yourself, you are promoting, you are marketing yourself through Instagram, through LinkedIn, we can able to see it, right? Marketing is a very important role for everyone, not just for only products, software or services. Even self-marketing is more important. When you market yourself, when you showcase yourself, then only people can know who you are exactly. When you joined recently in this college, they'll ask self-introduction, right? How do you say? Just only name. You just market yourself. I done these courses, I studied here, this much percentage I have. You market it, right? Once other people get to know you are into this genius, this skills you have, they'll come to you and they'll start conversation, right? That is like your marketing. While you are scrolling, many people you see affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate means one brand. They'll tag and they'll say, okay, this product is too good, you can try. This product have better quality and better price is there. Already many celebrities are using. Within 1 week, within 7 days, you can able to change instantly, right? That is like marketing. Without just promoting or affiliate or influence those products, how you people get to know it? Now, why AI is changing every industry? Why? After coming AI, all the industries are, happening more layoff. Have you heard layoffs? Many companies are removing employees. Right? Why? They don't have budget. Then they don't have skills. Then what is the reason? Instead of doing 2 people, AI can do 1. Right? Instead of investing 2 people, I can invest only AI. Correct, right? You people are hardly putting effort and writing, reading. Right? If you want to gain something in the 2 hours of video in a YouTube channel, you will watch entire 2 hours of video, or you just download that video and you just give to Notebook LM to just give a short answer. right? You have to explore. There are multiple AI tools for your daily life tasks where you can improvise, where you can use it your daily works. Okay, all industries only like laying off because of AI. If you have a proper skills, if you have proper scaling, still they are laying off because of AI. In the AI, okay, in the era of AI now, marketing and sales role only not laying off, because marketing only should do only people in the manual, and even sales as well. We can do like agents by automating all the things, but few things can't do AI. Okay, the interaction only robot can. Okay, if I say hi, it will hello. Okay, what is the best university in Bangalore? It will give city university, cluster university, like that. But if you ask humans, how many options you give, how many opinions you give, right? Marketing and sales is very important now. Okay, if you choose your career, if you want to build, you have to know it before entering to any streams. Okay, AI tools every student should learn. I'll explain you right now how effective AI plus digital marketing 6 months roadmap, step by step. How effective you people are implementing for your daily life tasks. Instead of you are doing manually, how quick you can able to do it through AI. Okay, what you people are right now doing, you can do by AI tools. Okay, writing simply manually. Okay, don't do those things and all. And just reading all the textbooks, like 180 pages are there, 200 pages are there, day and night reading. No. If you give notebook LM, you just ask short and sweet. Okay, what concept exactly you are looking into? It will just give very short and clear information. Every industry, there are almost $500 billion plus investing to AI. Only AI. Guys, you think that $500 billion plus is just a small figure? Why all industries are dying to invest only AI? To save the time, right? To save the revenue or cost. See, industries only why investing too much into AI? To reduce the errors, to reduce the manpower. Instead of giving 2 people salary, I can able to give only 1 AI. Once I invest, there is no investment again. Okay, to reduce the time. If I do manually, I can do some errors and all. Okay, robo means it won't do, agents. Okay, for multiple advantages, industries are adopting AI. Even you should understand why marketing are not taking over after coming AI also. And 73% of companies adopting AI. 73%. Remaining percentage where? Only sales roles and the marketing roles won't, still not adopted. And your work will be 10x faster. What you are manually doing, comparing to the work, AI will do 10x faster work. First move of student advantages through AI plus digital marketing. AI is transforming businesses operations, automating tasks that took us. Okay, which I already mentioned, what you are doing manually, if you adapt AI, it will do that work very quickly without your interaction. Once you automate it, you don't need to check again. Okay, in companies or you will get a multiple emails, right, every day. If you want to open, check which email is important, it takes or it consumes a lot time. Instead of that, you just add an agent for that email. It will all bucket list it. Okay, which are the important emails, which are the junk emails, which are not that priority emails. Okay, you don't need to directly go and check randomly one messages. And for your daily task, okay, you have to keep a to-do list for your reading study purpose. Okay, what you do, you create a some board. Instead of you are doing manually, AI will do automatically, easily, instead of consuming your time. Which I said, as you are the students, you have bundles of books, bundles of resources to study for your exams. For that, you can automate your tasks to reduce your time. How you gonna automate it? Which I said, there is a notebook LM. You can download your PDF, your PPT, might be your YouTube channel, whom you are following. Okay, that video also you can able to get raw information, raw text. Instead of watching 2 hours, you can get the word by word text as well. Marketing is the one of the fastest changing industries due to AI. Marketing industry, if you study something, if you learn something today, if you sleep and wake up morning, you already see new product. Okay, new AI. Have you seen, you just learn something, again if you morning tomorrow, you just see again new update. See how quickly AI is like changing over. For that you have to adapt it. How soon you can able to implement for your daily works. Students who learn AI early gain a massive competitive advantage. As I mentioned, industries are replacing for the AIs. Okay, instead of humans. For that, if you want to get a job that easy, do you think that if you go and give the resume, I wanted just a job, what you do, AI will do it. Then why do I want to invest you? Correct? For that, you have to scale your skills, where you can automate it, which tools you can automate it, which skills you have to learn it, which skills you have to certify it, which courses is required. If you are just into bookworms, it's never happened for you to enter in any industry. Because directly they will ask which AI tools are you are using daily work tasks instead of doing manually. You have to work only 8 hours, and the 8 hours if you do keep manually, how much hours you require to work on? Correct, right? Companies are investing heavily creating new roles, AI skills. Of course, companies instead of investing employees or humans, they will invest one time to AI. It's not required every day to invest for AI. If you invest one time, you can see easily, quickly, within seconds your results you can see it. Humans might sometimes do errors, but AI not. If you give proper instructions, AI can do all things. Which I said, in the marketing, there are multiple topics under. You should know which topic you have a good strength. If you choose a marketing, okay, and that there are multiple topics are there, in that you have to be specialized something, you definitely get a job. I'll assure it. There is a first one, search engine optimization. Have you heard search engine optimization? Okay, search engine optimization means when you search any query, any questions, you will see certain results, right? You can able to see, right? In the Google, while you are searching any queries, there are number of blue links, you can see it. You observed it, right? Okay. Why only that first blue link will come, only that company? Why not 10th page first link not coming? Those are sponsored ads. Instead of sponsored, we have even organic websites. By only that website is coming, why not instead of other website? Okay. Then they optimize their website. Okay. Citations. Citations means the same information of website. If you are into multiple sources, like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and multiple citations are there, like Just Dial, Yellow Pages. You heard, right? Those and all. If you search some query, you can see even sometimes Just Dial. Why? Because under they are listed. Listed means they added their information, company title, some description, the phone number, the address, Google Map. You seen, right, those things? Means which company is optimizing their website to visible and top position. In the Google there are lakhs together websites are there. Only that particular website will come only top page. Why? They use certain keywords to rank. They understood the customer's intent. Intent means how they are searching keywords. For example, you are ordering some dress. How you just type in Flipkart or Ajio? You just directly dress you'll search or what? You will filter it all the things, right? White color dress, and for this kurta, long top, something, this filter, this money, this location want to reach. Algorithms will understand, LLMs will understand, okay, customer is looking exactly this kind of color, this kind of size, this kind of brand. If you only check, for example, shoes, what kind of shoes you see? You see men's, women's, all kind of sports shoes, all you can see it. But if you specifically mention the age between 1 to 10, the color is white color, men's size, sports shoe, and the pricing, you see only that filters, correct? Then LLM will understand, okay, this customer is looking to specify exact keywords. There are 3 keywords: exact keywords, broad keywords, phrase keywords. Have you heard? Okay, broad means just I am typing a shoes. I don't know what kind of shoes. Exact, which I explained, exact means I want this color, only this brand, only this much to this size, from age to this age to this age. This is exact keyword. Phrase keyword means we have to ask what kind of phrasing, like instead of broad, limited, we are limiting that phrases. That kind of result it will show it. Have you understand why I am only filtering these are the options? That person don't have mind, that's why he given all the filters. No. Consumer should not take too much time or not to leave my page. If he come, he should spend time. He should buy my product as quick, as soon. He should navigate. Correct, right? If you are searching some query in the Google, you get a blue link. Okay, you open it. You search what is digital marketing. There are multiple links will come. In the first link you open, you didn't see any digital marketing answer. What you do? You frustrate. I am searching digital marketing. I am getting advantage of digital marketing. What should I do? You back again second link. If there is no second link, again back again third link. What exactly you are looking? Only what is digital marketing, right? Further, LLM should understand, okay, which are the sources have, how many people are written related to what is digital marketing question answer. It will gather, it will go to different sources, it will gather the information, then it will show your results. Okay, means you must have to be visible in multiple sources, that we call it as a citations. To visible, to show in the top page, top position, we call it as a search engine optimization. Not just a searching, to visible your brand, product or service in the top position of any search engine, not just a Google. It might be ChatGPT, it might be Chrome, it might be anywhere, like any search engine. This we call it as a search engine optimization. Got it? Have you thought why these are the kind of searches are there? You can, instead of using only one search, there are Microsoft Edge is there, Firefox is there, Chrome is there. Why these are the tools? Those also same, right? Same answers will come. Then why? different user will search in different platform. I might check in I want shoe in this brand, another customer will search in another brand, different users, different customers, different way. That intent we have to understand it. Intent means keywords. What kind of keywords we included in the content, how it will discover it, then only it will visible it. Understand? That is search engine optimization. Now, for search engine optimization in any industry, it's a huge hype is there. This is not a simple, marketing. This is very, you can say huge scale. You can, if you learn this, you can be like some best MNC companies. Next, social media marketing. You have any doubts in SEO? Next time, when you are searching some queries, you should know it. What kind of queries I am searching, what kind of results you are getting. Okay, if you are searching some question, if you are getting another results, you should have some question mark. Why? I am searching what is digital marketing, I am getting advantage of digital marketing. Why? Where this LLMs is not understanding. See, for everything you have to make a question mark to understand. Got it? I think you people know very well more than me social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Only promoting products? Then? Marketing? Then? Great. Then? Good. Then? All are using Instagram, right? Then why you people are using for time pass? Ma'am, I have too much time, ma'am. In my college, they are not giving too much work. Just teaching and they are sending home. That's why I am not. No. What you are learning every day, just scrolling Instagram, what you people are learning? No insights. See, if you have a product, if you have a software, if you have a services, okay, how you gonna promote? How you gonna market? If some product entered in market, who knows? No one, right? If you market in through social media, multiple channels, by advertising, you can see, right, there are multiple platforms is advertising, not just Instagram, Facebook or LinkedIn. You can see YouTube channel, you can open any not just Facebook also. If you go any Hotstar, if you watch some videos in Hotstar also, you can able to see ads. Why people are only dying to showcase their product in social media channels? Because all customers are there just visible on only social media platforms. Nowadays, Facebook already did. Only Instagram and LinkedIn channels are there. Only why social media promoting the products, brands and the services. Even you can promote yourself. You cook some dish, you just upload in Instagram, you get number of likes, you can get number of views, you get some money, right? You are earning money through social media. Social media is not a small job, it's a very huge market is there. If you are good at social media, for example, you do reels, you do some videos, what you learn something, you just teach others. You just upload in YouTube, you upload in Instagram. Many people will view, and if you go somewhere, they'll recognize you, who you are exactly, what you do. Okay, it's a self-promoting, self-marketing. And in the market, this is a second place. After search engine optimization, social media is a second top job opportunities you have. You should know how to bring the clients through social media. You should know how to engage with the customers. If I am uploading some video, if I am uploading some reel, not all are will watch, right? Only few people, if that reel is interesting, if that is too funny, if that is too educating, then only they'll watch. If not, just simply scrolling it. Correct, right? You people will do casually, right? For that, what you have to do, you make some video, you upload it, you see how much engagement, how much reach is you are able to reach. You can understand how many number of customers, how many number of views, how many number of viewers can able to see your video, where you are lacking. In social media platform, companies are just investing too much to engage their product services. See, now the social media platform also occupied with AI. They can generate videos, they can create a post, as you already created one post for me, right? Who created that post? You, by ChatGPT. Great. See, should know how you are unique, how creative you are, how engaging that content should be. Okay, if you are getting good views, good engagement, companies are dying to hire you people. Make sure at least you learn some skills on digital marketing, best topics, which I said SEO is the first huge market. Second one is social media marketing. You see, without going company also, they can earn more than you. They are sitting home, they are doing daily life tasks. Okay, just uploading some AI generated videos, animes, everything. They do just their live videos. I had this something, I slept it, I just woke up, then I had some this, blah, blah. Correct, right? Why can't you make it and why can't you earn it? You can earn, right, easily. Then why? Nobody is doing here? No, ma'am, we'll just only scroll the reels, that's it. We are only entertainment. See, for entertainment also, you can earn it. Next is content marketing. Okay, content marketing means where you are sharing or posting valuable content, which I said LinkedIn, any website, any blogs, any newsletters. There are multiple sources where you can share it your valuable content. We call it as a content marketing. Email marketing. Have you known this email marketing? Why do? Companies will do email marketing. Even you can. You get some HR numbers. What you do? Just sending your resume. Ma'am, I need this internship. I need this. Okay. You are marketing yourself. And companies, what they do? The product, the service, the softwares. They will market it through email. Google Ads. Have you heard Google Ads? Meta Ads. While you are scrolling, you can able to see sponsored, right, in the bold words. Never seen. Only few people. In the Meta also, in the Instagram, without you are following any other person, you can able to see in your feed, right? Your story in your feed while scrolling. That we call it as a sponsored ads. By paying to Meta, we are telling, okay, you just show everyone's feed my content. That we call it as a Google Ads and Meta Ads. Analytics and data. How you are going to analyze the data which is valuable? How you analyze? There are certain tools in your marketing, analyzing. Yes, exactly. See, if you done some works, you have a matrix, right? You have to certain figures and fact. Okay, today I worked this much. Today I studied 4 to 5 pages. This much output is there. You have to analyze it, right? In the same way, when you are doing marketing, you should know what extent, how much revenue you are getting. You have to analyze the data. This is also one core digital marketing topic. See, these are the traditional marketing. What we do? this is now AI powered marketing. Before, what we do, manual content writing. Before, there is no chat GPT, there is no Claude, there is no Perplexity. How we do? We will analyze, we will understand the intent, customer perspective, demographic, everything. Then we will write the content. It takes too hard. Okay, one page content minimum we need 2 to 3 days to analyze, understand customer intent, behavior, everything. But now there are certain tools. We can easily, quickly, within seconds we can write it. Next, manual keyword research. Keyword research we do usually like by tools using SEMrush, Ahrefs, Google Keyword Planner. I think these tools you never heard it. Okay, these are the new to you people. I just give some examples how you can do research. Okay, these are the paid tools. Now what we do, AI generated ad variants. AI assisted research and clustering. Instead of doing manual, if we automate it, keyword research also, it will give sheet primary keyword, secondary keyword, supportive keywords. Next, manual ad copy creation. AI generated ad variations. Before, ad creations means you see in the ads, right, some poster, some video, some carousel. You know, right, carousel, sliding. And the video in the sponsored and the post which they created, we used to do by Canva, by Adobe, by Figma, something, those kind of tools before. But now, within seconds, if you give the prompt, you can check by ChatGPT, by Claude, by Manus. There are multiple AI tools are there. Next, hours of data analysis. Before, companies or any people how used to analyze the data by page, just opening the random things. Okay. Now, if I give those data into AI, within seconds you can able to see that results. Slow content production. If you want to do manually, you have to analyze it, you have to write it, you have to prepare it, you have to buy it, you have to do all slow content production. Now, it's all AI generated. You can do by generating AI in content also. That content you can give to Claude or something, you can generate the video also. There is no much time taking works. See, these are the tools where you can see your daily work tasks which you can easily work on it. For content creation, which I said, if you have a project, instead of researching, you just go to these tools, you can ask by topic, you will get it resources. And if you want to write LinkedIn post, if you want to do some reels, video, something, by these tools, you can easily do it. Next, research. By research in deep details, if you want to research a particular topic, Perplexity is the best tool. Manus and the Google Notebook LM, which I said, if you have a document of 1,000 pages or YouTube channel and you have certain PPTs, instead of going through, you can just give to Google Notebook LM. Within seconds, you will see short and clear information. Next, for designing, Canva AI, Figma, Adobe. These are the free versions, you can use it. Next, video creation, CapCut AI, InVideo. These two are CapCut is free version, you can use it. Then InVideo is paid. Okay, one or twice you have some credit points. And you have Premiere Pro. This is very advanced one where you can add multiple features for while editing a videos. Xfield. This is recently 6 months back came Xfield. If you give simple prompt or voiceover, you can able to generate your video. But this is a paid tool. And the HeyGen. This is also new video creating tool. Xfield and HeyGen are the best which I can suggest you to create a reel. You just give your image. Instead of you do, AI will generate by your face. How you talk, Xfield will give the same way of video, like exactly what you talk. Next, productivity. For productivity purpose, Notion AI. Have you heard Notion? Notion is a tool where you can make a document like a notepad. For example, these are the important topics for you or AI tools. Okay, where you have to make note down all the things, where your projects and all you are adding. Notion is a tool. It's a very best platform where you can share it to others. There is a access. You just explore it, Notion. Okay, it's a free only, not paid version. You can add your resources. If you want to show someone what works you done previously, you can mention your to-do list, you can mention your task. It's a very best tool, I can say it. Notion AI, you can explore it. It's kind of notepad. There is a folders. You can also create subfolders as well on that. You can create a flow charts as well. Next, Gamma. Gamma is for PPT. Is a paid version and a free version both. If you take paid version, there are multiple features which you can explore it. It will better version you can generate your PPT instead of doing manually in Canva your PPTs. Julius AI. Have you heard this one? It's a new tool. It's a data visualization. If you give certain content, it will analyze it, some data, and it will give very quickly your outputs. Next, workflow automations. Have someone told that they automated some, right, for SEO. Anytime. This is the best tool which you can automate your all the tasks. Okay, you don't need to post daily in the LinkedIn. If you automate it through Anytime, automatically every day at the same time it will post it by generating image, by generating content as well. And for your daily task also, you don't need to keep alarm. If you set one time that agent, it will wakes you up. The same way, Make.ai, Zapier. These are the same tools like workflows. We can do agents. Next. See, if you learn, there are a multiple career opportunities which I said in the digital marketing. There are a subtopics where you see SEO, social media marketing, ads. Okay, those kind of jobs. If you learn, if you scale it within 6 months, within 3 months, you can able to place in your company as a digital marketing executive, as a content specialist, as a SEO specialist, content strategist, social media manager, AI content specialist, marketing automation executive, and performance marketer, growth marketer, AI marketing consultant. These are the roles, hand-free. You will get an infinity opportunities in industry. Any industry need a marketing. You can choose any one marketing topic which you are specializing, which you are interested. You can explore in deep. You gain insights. Okay, you apply jobs. You take some internship. You learn there something. Then you just apply directly your full-time role. For sure, you will get these are the opportunities. These are the roles. See how you can use daily life by generative blog ideas. If anyone writing daily newsletters, usually newspapers or blogs, they don't need to work on manually. They can generate through what tools? AI tools. Okay. Then social media post, as I said, you no need to spend too much hours of time, no need to spend too much of money. Just free tools, you can use it. Write ad copies. Have you heard ad copies? Ad copies. If you run ads, there will be an option of dynamic A/B testing. Have you heard A/B testing? No. A/B testing means there are two. Okay. You run one ad, another ad. There are A is one ad, B is ad. Okay. A is the post, B is the video. Which post is boosting more? Which post is getting more leads or clients? That will understand back-end algorithm of ads. it will automatically create it or push it, which is not getting, automatically it will turn off. A/B testing. If one is not working, another will work it. One is not able to get proper list, another will able to get it. There are two things. You have a plan of going shopping. You have a plan of cook yourself and eat. Aram se sleep. Due to some heavy rain, you can't able to go eat. It's A. What is the next option? You have to cook yourself, aram se eat and sleep. B. That's it. Got some idea or not? All are sleeping. I sleep. Next slide. See, which I said in the market, these are the top roles you can select or get your career opportunities. SEO is a 90%, Google Ads is 80%, social media marketing is 85%, email marketing is 75%, analytics and data is 88%. See, this is a 6 months roadmap which I explained right now. If you are serious about your career, if you are serious about you wanna complete after your master, you wanna join any company or any industry or corporate world, you just start implementing this. If not, you can marry, enjoy. That's it, no? There are only two options for girls. If you wanna work hard, you can build your career. If not, you marry someone and that's it. If you are really serious about your career, you start from today working on these roles. AI plus digital marketing. You already have a subject of digital marketing and you just adapt AI how you can use it on the digital marketing. Okay, which I said doing manually is different. But after including AI, it solve your like too much efforts, right? The productivity will increase, outcomes will get better, and your cost also will reduce, time will save, output is good. What requires more than this? You have to adapt it AI. This is a 6 months roadmap. Next. Okay, these are the career opportunities which I said. See, these are the channels. You can see everyday AI related topics which I post it in LinkedIn, YouTube, all the platforms, Instagram. If you check in these profiles, you can able to see everyday updates